The third eye, often associated with the pineal gland, is the key to unlocking heightened intuition, deeper spiritual insight, and expanded consciousness. Activating it allows you to perceive beyond the physical realm and tap into the unseen energies that shape your reality. In spiritual traditions, particularly in ancient Hindu, Buddhist, and Egyptian cultures, the third eye is believed to be a mystical energy center located in the middle of the forehead, just above the eyebrows. It is also known as the Angya Chakra in yoga, and it's considered the center of intuition, spiritual insight, and perception beyond ordinary sight. But what's fascinating is that the concept of the third eye is not just a spiritual metaphor. There's a physical counterpart in our body that is believed to be closely connected to it, the pineal gland. This small, pine cone-shaped gland is located in the center of the brain and plays a critical role in regulating our biological rhythms, particularly through the secretion of melatonin, which controls our sleep-wake cycles. Throughout history, many have speculated that the pineal gland is more than just a regulator of sleep. Ancient civilizations like the Egyptians symbolized this connection through the Eye of Horus, a representation of spiritual awakening and higher perception. The philosopher René Descartes even called the pineal gland the seat of the soul, implying that it is a bridge between the physical and spiritual worlds. Modern research shows that the pineal gland has properties similar to the eyes, such as its sensitivity to light, further connecting it to the third eye concept. When we talk about activating the third eye, we're referring to awakening the pineal gland to function beyond its physical role, to open ourselves to deeper spiritual insights and to access realms of consciousness that go beyond the material world. When the third eye is open, you gain access to a deeper level of intuition, clarity, and perception. It allows you to see beyond the surface of things, providing insight into the true nature of reality. People who have activated their third eye report experiencing increased spiritual awareness, more vivid dreams, and even psychic abilities such as clairvoyance. But perhaps the most significant benefit is the inner transformation that occurs. The third eye enables you to rise above the limitations of the physical world and helps you transcend ego, fear, and the illusion of separation. You begin to see the interconnectedness of everything, how we are all part of a larger universal consciousness. Meditation, the key to awakening the third eye. One of the most effective and widely used methods to activate the third eye is meditation. Specifically, you can meditate while focusing on the area between your eyebrows, known as the brow chakra or Angya Chakra. This practice helps to direct energy to this center and can awaken the third eye over time. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed and sit in a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take deep breaths, allowing yourself to relax. Bring your attention to the space between your eyebrows, visualizing a soft, glowing light emanating from this spot. As you continue to breathe, imagine the light growing brighter, illuminating your mind with clarity and insight. Stay focused on this visualization for 10 to 15 minutes each day. Over time, this meditation can stimulate the pineal gland and help in opening the third eye. The important thing with meditation is consistency. The more you practice, the stronger the connection becomes. You may begin to notice heightened intuition, vivid dreams, or an increased sense of inner knowing. Sun gazing, harnessing the power of light. Ancient cultures believed that the sun's light could directly stimulate the pineal gland, charging it with cosmic energy. Choose the right time, either within the first 30 minutes after sunrise or the last 30 minutes before sunset. Find a comfortable spot outdoors, preferably where you can stand barefoot on the earth to ground yourself. Gently gaze at the sun for a few seconds, allowing the light to enter your eyes and stimulate the pineal gland. Start with short sessions and gradually increase the duration over time. Sun gazing is a powerful practice, but it must be done safely to avoid damaging your eyes. When practiced correctly, it can increase your energy, clear your mind, and awaken the third eye. Breathwork, activating the pineal gland through pranayama. In ancient yoga practices, pranayama refers to the control of breath, and different techniques can help balance energy in the body while stimulating the pineal gland. One of the best techniques for this purpose is nadi shodhana, also known as alternate nostril breathing. Sit in a comfortable position and close your eyes. Place your right thumb on your right nostril and close it off. Inhale deeply through your left nostril, then close the left nostril with your ring finger. Exhale through your right nostril. Now inhale through your right nostril, close it with your thumb, and exhale through your left. Repeat this process for 5 to 10 minutes. This practice balances the brain's hemispheres and increases focus, clarity, and intuition. With regular practice, nadi shodhana can help clear energetic blockages, allowing you to access deeper states of awareness and activate the pineal gland. Diet, nourishing the pineal gland. What you eat also has a significant impact on the health of your pineal gland and the activation of the third eye. In modern times, the pineal gland can become calcified due to exposure to chemicals such as fluoride in water, processed foods, and other environmental toxins. This calcification can dull your spiritual awareness, making it harder to access higher consciousness. However, you can counteract this by incorporating detoxifying foods into your diet. Foods rich in antioxidants and chlorophyll can help detoxify the pineal gland. Raw cacao, rich in antioxidants and magnesium, supports brain function and increases spiritual awareness. Goji berries are packed with antioxidants that help detoxify the body. Spirulina and chlorella are also excellent sources of chlorophyll and help detoxify heavy metals from the body. Additionally, reducing your exposure to fluoride by drinking filtered water can help prevent further calcification of the pineal gland. Crystals, using vibrational energy to awaken the third eye. Crystals have been used for centuries to amplify spiritual energy and support the activation of the third eye. Certain crystals resonate with the frequency of the Angya Chakra, helping to open and balance this center. Amethyst, known for its calming and spiritual properties, enhances intuition and clarity. Lapis lazuli has been prized for millennia for its ability to open the mind to higher knowledge. Fluorite, a powerful stone for mental clarity and focus, helps clear energetic blockages in the third eye. You can use these crystals during meditation by placing them on your third eye area or carrying them with you throughout the day to keep their energy close. Sound healing and binaural beats, tuning the third eye. Sound has a powerful influence on our energy centers, and certain frequencies can help resonate with and open the third eye. Binaural beats, specifically at frequencies like 432 Hz and 936 Hz, are known to align with the third eye chakra, enhancing your meditation and spiritual practice. You can also chant the Om mantra during meditation, as this sound resonates deeply with the third eye and can help raise your vibrational frequency. Listening to these frequencies regularly or incorporating sound healing into your spiritual routine can help you attune to higher states of awareness and support the activation of the third eye. Activating the third eye is a journey, one that requires patience, dedication, and trust in the process. By integrating these ancient practices into your life, you're not only working toward the activation of your pineal gland but also embarking on a path of inner transformation. The more you awaken your third eye, the clearer your connection to your higher self and the universe will become.